if you are not having the Zoom app, then you can go to Google. Okay, you can go to Google and just type Zoom app over here. Then you will see the results. Click on download for Windows, or you are using whatever Mac or whatever. So download for Windows, click on it. As soon as you will click on it, you will see a screen that is appeared on the window, a dialog box that is appeared on the window, and then click on save. So it will automatically install Zoom for you, as you can see here. Okay, so here it has already been downloaded. Then click on open. Okay, and then click on run. So it will show that the Zoom installer is initializing the process. Once the download is over, you will be able to see a Zoom icon on your desktop, or if the Zoom icon is not visible on your desktop, then you can search over here. You can write Zoom. Okay, and then you will see that you have Zoom app already installed. Then you can click on open and the Zoom app will be open. Okay, so for more queries, please write to me on my mail ID, and thank you for watching the video.